Someone's knocking at the door. Can you hear him knocking? Can you hear him knocking? He's been knocking for so long. He's been knocking very long. Can you hear him knocking? Can you hear him knocking? It's Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. He's at the door. Oh, it's Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And he's at the door. Someone's calling out your name. Calling time and time again. Can you hear him calling you? Yeshua is calling you. He's been calling for so long. He's been calling very long. Can you hear him calling? Jesus is calling you. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And he's at the door. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Oh, it's Jesus, Jesus, my Jesus. And he's at the door. Don't let him walk away. Don't let him walk away. He's so patient, but don't take a chance. All you need to do is open the door of your heart right now. Let him take his rightful place so he can change your world. Open up the door. Open up the door. Open up the door. Open up the door. Open up the door now.
Open up the door. Open up the door.
The love of God is waiting.
Open up the door.
You are keeping him waiting.
Open up the door.
He just wants to love you.
Open up the door.
He just wants to bless you.
Open up the door.
You are keeping him waiting.
Open up the door.
Oh, Jesus is waiting.
Open up the door.
So long, very long.
Open up the door.
La 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 la.
Open up the door.
La 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 la.
Open up the door. Open up the door.
Someone's calling out your name. Jesus is calling you.